Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a wig review and styling video. Recently I told you guys I wanted to get a little bit more creative and fun and try different styles and different stuff with my hair in general. And one of those ways of doing so is by wearing wigs. So I recently posted another wig video, and that one was a curly textured wig. It was very similar to my natural hair texture, but I'm really excited for this one specifically because this is a long, luxurious, sexy body wave. Well, not that curls aren't sexy. Let's not get it twisted, okay? Curls are sexy, but this is a lot different than my natural hair, which is why I'm more excited for it. Today's video is sponsored by UNice. They were kind enough to send me over one of their upgraded V-part wigs. Before I get into showing you the wig itself, I want to show you all the goodies that they send you over with your wig, which I think is really, really cool. It's always exciting to get little extras and things like that when you order something from a company. So I'm going to show you everything that you get. Actually, the first thing, I'm already wearing it. Well, I'm wearing a couple things. But the first thing is this robe right here. It's this really pretty satin pink robe, and it says UNice right here. Oh, and I'm gonna be transparent with you guys on another thing, and that is that this is my second time filming this video. The first time I filmed this video, this thing was not on, so I was so mad. If I have that footage, I'll insert it. I don't think I have it. I actually think I just deleted it because I needed more time on more space on my memory card. But once I realized that I forgot to turn my microphone on in the last video, I was literally stuck just staring off into space for like a good 4 or 5 minutes because I was so mad because it was at the end of the video. Whatever, you live and you learn, right? This one's gonna be better. Let's just put that out there. This one's gonna be better. Everything's gonna be good. So yeah, this is my second time filming this video, but the first time filming the video, I didn't have this little camion under, and I was having like so many wardrobe malfunctions. So this time I learned. So that's a plus right there. Yeah, go ahead. Okay, so yeah, the robe, they also send a matching pink satin bonnet, which says UNice, and this one has elastic on it, and it also has this little tie so you can adjust it to fit your head. Super, super cute. And they also send over a regular black satin bonnet, which you can never have too many of those. And they actually sent over 2 of these hair bands, which was nice. And these are used to lay your wig down and lay your edges down. And then they also send a pair of these lashes. They're super, super long and like fluffy looking. And then they also send this pretty makeup brush, and it's actually super, super soft. You can never have too many makeup brushes. And they also sent over 2 packages of wig caps in 2 different colors. One's a little lighter, one's a little bit darker. One of them I already opened, of course, because like I said, this is my second time filming this. And then you get this little satin pouch which says UNice, and this is to store and protect your wig. I was really shocked to see this, but it was a nice little touch. In the box at the bottom, I saw these and I was like, what could this be? But actually, UNice iced me out. They sent me some cute jewelry. And the first piece was this ring right here, which is super cute and sparkly. This is actually their logo, but you can't tell that it's a company logo. It just looks like a little cute design, which I like. I also have this necklace right here. It says UNice on the side right here, and then it has a little logo again. And then I don't know if this was a mistake or not, but they sent me 2 of the bracelets, and I just put them both on because I think it looks super cute layered like that. And last but not least, of course, the actual wig. So this is their upgraded V-part wig. This is a 24-inch body wave wig, and this is what the wig looks like. So the front, of course, is a V-part, and then this is the construction of the wig on the inside. So you have a comb in the back, you have your adjustable strap to fit the wig securely to your head, and then you also get 2 side combs right here. And then near the part line, you have 4 of these little comb clips that snap closed. So what makes this better than, for instance, a U-part wig is a U-part wig, you have to have a decent amount of leave out, which if your hair, natural hair texture does not closely match the texture of your wig, of course you have to heat style it, which could lead to heat damage, which kind of, it's counterintuitive. It's like, that's the whole point I'm wearing a wig, is kind of to protect my hair and not have to worry about styling my own hair. So this one, again, you don't have to have the leave out, or you can just have a very, very tiny amount of leave out, which is a plus. I'm actually gonna show you what it looks like with no leave out and then with the little bit of leave out here. And then the other thing which sets this specific upgraded V-part wig from UNice apart is the open wefting design. So going back to the cap here, you can see those wefts right there. They are actually open. So it's kind of, yeah, you can stick your finger right in there and scratch your scalp. So it kind of gives you like that sew-in type vibe, to where you can like access your scalp, and it's super lightweight, super breathable. It doesn't feel like you have a wig on at all, which I really like. It's good for people that necessarily aren't used to wearing a wig or used to having that feeling of having a wig on your head. Or if you live in a super hot climate like me, I live in Florida. And one of the other huge benefits of this wig is it does not require any laying of the lace. It doesn't require any glue. It doesn't require any leave out if you choose. And it's super beginner friendly for those reasons. Like I said, I am a beginner. I'm just starting to get my feet wet in the wig game. And the whole lace front thing, not gonna lie, kind of scares me a little bit. I'm gonna get there eventually, but this is a good like starter wig for anybody, especially because of all those reasons I mentioned. And then it's super lightweight, so you can kind of get used to that feeling of having a wig on. So now that I've told you all about this beautiful wig, I'm sure you want to see what it looks like on, right? So let's go ahead and get into the styling. So for my hair, again, I just have these 2 braids at the top where my part and later my leave out is going to be. And then I just put my hair all back, and then I did some braids here and kind of banded my hair with some rubber bands. So I'm just going to take this and just put it like this, together like that. And then I'm just going to put on my wig cap. And then I'm just going to push this back to expose the part here. So you want to start with the back comb first, and then come forward and put your side combs in. So once you have the wig on, go ahead and take your comb clips. Make sure they're popped open. And I'm going to place these ones first, so that way I can position the wig right where I want it. And you want to clip them as close as you can to your natural part right here. And the second one. If you are Little Miss Melted Lace, you probably will want to do something here. You could probably take some eyeshadow, take some hairspray. I've seen people take the end of their rat tail comb and kind of like press it down with some, I don't have any hairspray. That's one thing I need to get if I'm going to start doing some wigs, even just with curling the hair and stuff. It's good to have some hairspray, but yeah, you can work with it, and you can do some stuff to make it look even better than this if you have the time, patience, and skill, all of which I do not have. So I'm going to go ahead and do some edges and curl the wig and stuff just so you can see a completed look with the no leave out option, but I'm still going to show you what it looks like with a little bit of leave out. Of course, we all know that's going to look a little bit better. For my edges, I'm going to be using my Kiss Argan and Macadamia Edge Fixer. Kiss makes some of my favorite edge controls. This one's a really good one. And then this is also by Kiss. This is their 4-in-1 edge brush, I believe. This is really, really good, and the comb's good too. And then it has a little comb here and a little spatula if you do want to dig out products. So once my edges are done, I'm just going to take this hairband and place that over to lay them down. And to curl the hair, I'm going to be using this Remington curling wand. I love this curling wand. I've had this thing for over 10 years now. It gives you really, really pretty soft bombshell curls. So I'll link this down below if you guys are interested, if I can find it. Hopefully I can. And I'm gonna scoot back a little bit because this cord is not long enough. I'm gonna be curling all of these curls away from my face with the larger end of the barrel on the top, of course. And hold it a little bit to set the curl. And then once it cools down a little bit, just let it go. And at that point, I would probably spray it too if I had some hairspray, which I don't. This is the curl that we get. Super, super pretty. So I'm just going to continue to do that all around the hair.
Told you you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma.
So this is what the hair is giving once it's been curled. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. I'm not gonna leave the curls like this. I'm gonna take a wide tooth comb and just comb through the curls gently. So this is the look after the hair has been curled. Super, super cute. I love that curling wand. Again, I'll have it down below for you guys, but this hair curls super, super nicely. So now that my hair is done, I'm gonna go ahead and take my little robe off and go ahead and put on my regular clothes. I'll be right back. Who am I feeling like right now? But I put on a little freakum dress moment. But yeah, so this is the completed no leave out look. Let me show you guys from the back. My braid down situation could be a little bit better. It's a little bit bulky, but it's all good. I'm going to go ahead and undo this right here because I'm going to show you guys what it looks like with the minimal, leave out option. So these are my little leave out braids. I'm just going to take these out really quick. So I went ahead and took my braids out. Now, being 100% honest with you guys, if I felt like I could have gotten smaller braids, you can go with even less leave out than this. You only need like the tiniest sliver of hair just to cover that part section. So yeah, next time when I wear this wig with my leave out, I'm just gonna have like a little tiny little sliver, like parting this in half probably, not even that, like this much hair. But since I already have this hair out and I don't want to take the wig off, I'm just going to style it with the leave out section that I have. So I'm just going to re-wet this piece here. And I'm going to take my blow dry brush, which my cord is not reaching right now because it has a knot in it. But I'm going to, let me move over here. I'm going to take this brush right here and just blow dry it. Almost forgot. Heat protectant. Duh. So I'm going to be going over my hair with this Tymo hair straightening comb. This is good because it gets really close to the root. So I went ahead and clipped that in. Now this does need to go flatter, but that's just my natural hair. I don't want to put too much heat on it, you guys. I'm a little bit scared because this is my second time doing this video, so I'm just trying to be gentle. But I am going to go ahead and take my wand right here and I'm just going to kind of like press it down just to help it. If I had like one of those wax sticks, I think that would help, or some hairspray again. And then of course I have to blend in my hair with the curls that I already created. So I'm just going to take some of my hair, some of the wig hair, and curl them together so that it will blend. So this is the end result with a little bit of my hair left out. Like I said, I could smooth this if I had some hairspray to like keep the flyaways down, or the wax stick or whatever. But this is just so basically you guys get an idea of how this wig looks if you do choose to leave a little bit of hair out. And like I said before, you don't even have to leave this much hair out. You can leave even less of your real hair out just to prevent any sort of damage or anything like that. But yeah, I think this wig is super, super cute, and it feels like my hair. It doesn't even feel heavy or anything. It doesn't feel like I'm wearing a wig, so I really like it. Let me give you guys a little 360.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my, all good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side.
So I'm just feeling this hair so much. It's super, super pretty. Oh, by the way, the hair, I don't know if I mentioned, it's super soft. It's a very, very good quality hair. It has a nice density to it as well. Super lightweight. I don't even feel like I'm wearing a wig, and I like the fact that I can go in and itch my scalp if I want to. And especially in this Florida weather, having that cap with the open wefting, that's a yeah, so this one is a go right here. I think you guys definitely need to get this one. Whether you've been wearing wigs for a while or if you are a beginner to the wig game, I feel like this one is a must buy. So yeah, definitely check out this one. This again is the 24-inch body wave V-part wig from UNice. I will have the link down below in the description for you guys to check this one out. But yeah, if you guys like this video, you want to see more wig videos or hair videos in general, matter of fact, just let me know down below what videos you guys would like to see from me. But unfortunately, I'm gonna go ahead and take all this off. I look cute, but I don't have anywhere to go, so I might take some pictures and take my butt to bed. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video.